Hi, I'm Hockney, and I'm a CAS licensed commercial drone pilot and a real estate salesperson. In this ongoing property drone view videos, I'm going to showcase drone preview video shots of the upcoming Thomson Reserve Condominium. In this video segment, you may also see a top and bottom view of the former Thomson Three condominium. Readers might recall that in October 2024, a developer consortium comprising of UOL Group, Singapore Land Group, and Capital Land Development has entered into a put and call option agreement to purchase the former Thomson Three condominium development for $810 million. Over here in this segment, you may see the sheltered walkway that leads to the Upper Thomson MRT station on the Thomson East Coast line. The MRT station also connects to the nearby Thomson Plaza through another station exit. Over here, you can see some of the low-rise buildings on the Thomson View condominium site. And just now, you see some of the landed houses on the Bright Hill Drive, which lies outside the former condominium. Over here, on the right-hand side, you can catch some glimpses of the Thomson Three condominium. The upcoming Thomson Reserve condominium is scheduled to launch sometime towards the end of the third quarter and early fourth quarter of 2026. So in this segment, you can now see a top and bottom view of the Thomson Three condominium, which lies just beside the former Thomson View condominium. As the drone is approaching to land soon, I hope that you have enjoyed this short preview of the upcoming Thomson Reserve condominium land plot. If you are a homeowner seeking for drone shots of your home, or if you are RES seeking to collaborate on a joint marketing campaign using drones, do get in touch with me, and my contacts are shown next. If you have further questions about the upcoming Thomson Reserve condominium, you may also contact me as well. Thank you, and do remember to click the like and subscribe button to this channel for more upcoming GRS site and property drone views. And my contacts are shown in this segment. Thank you, and I wish you well.